মাতৃবন্দনা সারা পৃথিবী জুড়ে এখনও চলছে। দুর্গাপুজো হয়তো চলেই গেছে, কিন্তু এখনও সামনে দিওয়ালির প্রস্তুতিতে আমরা মা কালীর পুজো করি। তা আমরা এটা জানি যে নারীকে খুব অনেকভাবেই সারা পৃথিবীতে পুজো করা হয়, কারণ নারী শক্তি ছাড়া তো পৃথিবী চলবেই না। হ্যাঁ, তো আজকে আমাদের সমাজের নারীকে অনেক অবহেলাও করা হয়, কিন্তু তারই সঙ্গে সঙ্গে এতটাই হয়েছে যে নারী ছাড়া তো কোনো কাজ হবে না, নারীকে খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্সও দেওয়া হচ্ছে। আজকে আমাদের স্মার্ট অনন্যা এই এপিসোডে আমাদের সঙ্গে এমনই একজন নারী রয়েছেন যে নিজের সংসার, নিজের ঘর পরিবার, সন্তানকে নিয়ে সুখে সংসার করছে, আবার তেমনই তিনি বাইরে একটা কর্পোরেট লেভেলে একটা কাজও করে চলেছেন। আমাদের আজকের অতিথি আমাদের স্মার্ট অনন্যা মিসেস শ্বেতা টেকরিওয়াল।
नमस्ते।
I was coming to your place. I had talked with you. I came to know you are a corporate lady who is handling your house as well as your office.
Yeah.
So coming to your journey, I would like to know, because there are many viewers who are waiting to know how will they come to your shoes to become like you.
Oh, it's absolutely very, very simple. I am just another lady, you could find in your neighborhood. So my journey started from, my birthplace. I was born and brought up in Belur.
Okay.
I did my primary schooling there. Later, I used to travel about 15 kilometers one way for my schooling at Calcutta. So I graduated from Sikshayatan College, completed my CA. Thereafter, I joined ITBI Limited through campus interview way back in 2001. So that's when the corporate life actually started. No one in my house had been into salaried job. Most of the family background is from business, but my parents as well as my in-laws, my husband always supported, and they wanted me to prove something, make good use of my education. So that is how I started this journey way back in May 2001 from Mumbai. I was there for about 3 years before I shifted to Calcutta. So that is how the journey has been. Of course, it has been with lots of hurdles, blocks, but because of the support of the friends, family, my teachers who actually helped me out while I was studying, So a lot of joint studies, borrowed books, that's how I've been able to complete my studies. Having joined in the corporate job, I have seen many peaks and troughs. So from ITBI, I shifted to another bank, and now I continue to be in the Eastern India's corporate profile. So of course this journey is worth cherishing, and I would encourage every other lady who's watching us here to take that step forward. Once you determine yourself, you can always do
Very
it.
true, very true.
So there's no one better than a determined lady, a determined woman who wants to rise. There's no looking back.
Family support के बगैर तो we are unable to do anything, right? So bringing up your child as well as managing outside, how you complete your daily routine, I just want to know.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of challenge. Initially, when my son was born, I was in two minds, whether to go back, join office, or continue parenting him. But then everyone at home advised me to join back, and things would fall in place, though I wasn't very sure till then. So I joined back office and then started to place a routine. So everything was calendarized and timed, waking up at 5 a.m, then preparing food, taking care of son's immediate needs, going to office, coming back, and then my husband amply supported me in this. My mother-in-law used to take care of my son. So that's how he grew up. Of course, I did miss some of those moments when, he first started walking, or he first said Mama or Baba. But then now when he says, Mama, I'm proud of you, I think that makes up for quite a bit of it.
Yeah, whatever हमने miss किया था, उनके वही बातों से you feel like
Yes.
you are something now, because जब हमारा बच्चा कुछ बोलता है हमारे बारे में, that is more precious like anything else in the world,
Yeah,
right?
the respect that you see in his eyes, so you know that kind of makes up for most of it. But yes, it is pretty challenging. You need to balance out both, and I have always been, prioritizing office work, taking care of household work as well. So एक बार ठान लो तो हो जाता है, it's not very difficult. তো যখন আমরা ভেবে নিই তখনই আমরা ওটা অর্ধেক করে নিই।
Shweta, I would like to know who is your main inspiration?
Yeah, pretty good question, I would say. So my inspiration is every other woman, surrounding us. So I take a lot of inspiration from the women coming from our mythology. Naming a few would be injustice to the others, so I will not name. But I draw a lot of inspiration from the characters that we see in our mythology. Women have always come forward whenever there was need. Their grace, their strong character has helped us win so many wars, so many problems have been solved because of them. So that is the thing. I feel that every men and women around us can inspire us to do more, make a better version of ourselves. So that is where I keep drawing my inspiration from.
Tell me, like, how would you suggest other, I want to know आप like women empowerment को लेकर आपने have you ever done anything regarding such things to empower women, or you tell how those women should get empowered? How much women empowerment is important in today's world? How much a girl is required to be independent? So if you say something regarding that.
So I think what we are doing now is an excellent example of women empowerment. Women interacting with other women,
right.
So both of us are working for that matter, and it really makes sense, whatever message we've been able to give through this small interaction of ours, and if it reaches people and makes an impression on them. So this is how what we should be doing. I have always been vocal about my thoughts, be it friends or family. I try and counsel my fellow friends or family members about spreading awareness about their own financial independence, making them aware of their rights, what they can do, though many of them may not be able to work outside, but that is not the ultimate thing. Even as a household lady, you can do a lot and propagate on women empowerment. Ultimately, it is sad that even after so many years of independence, we need to work on these issues. But having said so, let us continue to do that. Try and see that our message reaches out to the maximum people, and women come forward from all walks of life to establish themselves, prove their dignity and prove their worth. So I think that's very, very important in today's, and the step that you've taken through this Smart Ananya program is really appreciated, and I'm delighted to be a part of it.
I would also hope we really would and you we together would make more such Ananya Smart. I would always like every family to just educate their child and always have respect towards the women in their lives, because अभी भी ऐसा हुआ है, अभी भी ऐसा हो रहा है, मतलब गाँवों में भी देखा जाता है, अपने घर की महिलाओं को just वो लोग वंचित रखते हैं अपने हर चीज़ों से। तो इस कारण से अभी भी नहीं नहीं कर पाना, लड़कियों का बाहर नहीं जाना, ये सब में जो रोक टोक होता है, आई ऑलवेज अवॉइड सच थिंग्स। ऐसे कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए। अपने घर की औरतों को भी उसी तरह का इंडिपेंडेंस देना चाहिए। बेटियों को भी बेटे हैं तो बेटों को अपनी तरह हर चीज़ में शामिल करो, बेटियों को नहीं चाहिए। तो दिस चीज़ थिंग्स कीप ऑन गोइंग ऑन। आई रियली डोंट लाइक सच थिंग्स। इवन आई थिंक आपको देख के और भी लड़कियां प्रेरित हो, इंस्पायर्ड हो। एंड this is all I would like to say. And Shweta, thank you for being with us and being such a motivating inspiration for everybody. তো আমরা তো দেখলাম কিভাবে আমরা চাইছি আরও এমনই স্মার্ট অনন্য আমাদের দেশ বিদেশে চারিদিকে যেন ছড়িয়ে পড়ে। আমরা এইভাবে স্মার্ট অনন্য চাইছি যারা নিজেরা নিজেদের পায়ে তৈরি জমিটাকে তৈরি করে নিজেরা নিজেদের আইডেন্টিফিকেশন যাতে তৈরি করতে পারে। থ্যাংক ইউ শ্বেতা ফর বিং উইথ আস, ফর বিং অ্যান ইন্সপিরেশন লেডি, নট অনলি ফর মি, ফর এভরিবডি whoever is watching you. tell me something about your good times and bad times, you know, facing hurdles also during your journey. So like, tell me something about it.
Sure. So I think the best time was when I was blessed with my son. So that was while I was working initial years, and when I was blessed with my son, I think that was the best time ever. Then of course, while working and after my son was born and he was a toddler, I started doing my company secretary course, and I passed out the final exams in 21st rank. So I think that was another achievement which was quite applauded by my seniors at office as well. There were a couple of challenging times when my parents and my in-laws were hospitalized, but then because of support of seniors and colleagues, of course all the support from my husband at home, we could manage. And the best thing was that during that period my team won all the campaigns that were launched for that quarter. So that showed that we did not have to compromise on the professional part of it while taking care of the medical exigencies at home. So yeah, these are quite a few. Otherwise, there's a long list.
So like your further aim in future?
Yes, so definitely all of us being working, we want to achieve greater heights and escalate in our roles and careers. But apart from that, something that I would like to do is create more and more future leaders. I always try to impart whatever little I have learned so far to my colleagues who are working with me, so that they can do much better in life. So that is something that I always take care of, that to nurture the young budding talent that's joining industry, be it men or women, so that they can do much better going ahead. हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी की ये लाइनें मुझे हमेशा बहुत प्रेरित करती है कि मंजिल मिले न मिले ये मुकद्दर की बात है, मंजिल मिले न मिले ये मुकद्दर की बात है, पर हम कोशिश भी न करें ये तो गलत बात है. So keep trying, keep inspiring, keep surprising people with your dedication and hard work. So that is something I always try, so that whenever I look back at my journey of life, I feel happy and content that I could create some self-worth and do something that was worth cherishing.
Very true, Shweta. We wish you a very good and a successful life, further future. Thank you so much. Shweta ji, what would be your message for the society?
Well, the long story short is, if I can, you can too. You need not be a triple A in every role that you are playing. It's okay to be an A sometimes, but do not take a step back. Move ahead, and very soon people will look up to the good practices that you have been following. It's always important to maintain grace at work as well as at home. Respect the mutual boundaries with your colleagues, and the work is half done.
আচ্ছা শ্বেতা, তোমার এই যে জার্নিটা আমরা দেখলাম, এই জার্নিতে তুমি অনেক হার্ডশিপসগুলো ফেস করেছো, ভালো সময়টাও কাটিয়েছো। তোমার এই ভালো সময়ের সঙ্গে সঙ্গে এই যে ব্যাড টাইমস যেটা আমরা বলি, সেটাকে তো তুমি মনে রাখো?
হ্যাঁ, নিশ্চয়ই। এই বেলুড় টু আরবানা বেশ অনেকটাই সময়, দেখতে দেখতে প্রায় 20 বছর কেটে গেল। সময়টা খুব ইজি ছিল না, অনেক কিছুই পার্সোনাল লেভেলে স্যাক্রিফাইস করতে হয়েছে এই পর্যন্ত আসার জন্য। কিন্তু আজকে যখন দেখি যে চারিদিকে যা চেয়েছিলাম মোটামুটি করে উঠতে পেরেছি, হয়তো এর চেয়ে ভালো করা যেত, কিন্তু সেটা তো আর কোনো শেষ নেই। তবে যতটুকুনি করতে পেরেছি সেটাতে একটা মনের মধ্যে স্যাটিসফ্যাকশন আছে যে ঘর সংসারটা ঠিকমতো আছে, একটা ছোট্ট ঘরে থাকতে পারছি, ছেলে ভালো করছে, অফিসের কাজটা কন্টিনিউ করতে পেরেছি, আগেও করতে পারবো, এগুলোতে খুব ভালো লাগে। আর ওই সময়টা কোনো দিনই ভুলি না। এখনও বেলুড়েই আছেন আমার পেরেন্টস, মাঝে মধ্যেই আমি যাই ওনাদের কাছে। তো ওই গ্রাসরুট লেভেলটা সবসময় যেন আমি মনে রাখি, আর ওটা সবসময় থাকবে, কারণ আমি জানি ওখান থেকে জন্মেছি, ওখানে বড় হয়েছি বলেই এই হাঙ্গারটা হয়তো ছিল যে কিছু একটা করে দেখাতে হবে। সবসময় যে একটা বড় শহর থেকেই মহিলারা কিছু করতে পারে তা নয়, নিজের মধ্যে ওই হাঙ্গারটা থাকতে হবে। একজন কেউ বলেছিলেন যে most successful people build a foundation from the stones thrown at her. তো হয়তো আমার জীবনে খুব একটা বেশি স্ট্রাগল সেরকম হয়নি, লোকে স্যাবোটেজ করার চেষ্টা করেনি, কিন্তু যতটুকুনি যা হয়েছে হাসিতে ওইগুলোকে সয়ে নিয়ে ওভারকাম করে আজকে যতটা করতে পারছি সেটাতে আমার অনেক আনন্দ। আর আমি আশা করি যে অন্য মেয়েরাও এইটা নিয়ে করবে। যতটা মনে হয় ততটা কিন্তু কঠিন নয়, একবার শুরু করলে নিশ্চয়ই আপনি জায়গাতে পৌঁছে যাবেন।
বেলুর টু আরবানা, শহরতলি থেকে হাইটেক সিটি। হ্যাঁ, শ্বেতা এগুলো সব করতে পেরেছে। আমরা শ্বেতার মতন একজন কর্পোরেট লেডি যেমন দেখলাম, তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে দেখলাম শ্বেতা একজন খুব সুন্দর একটা হোম মেকারও। আমরা এইভাবেই শ্বেতার মতন আরও যেন শ্বেতাকে খুঁজে বার করতে পারি, এটাই আমাদের একটা মেন লক্ষ্য।
নমস্কার।